In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to give each page of your Microsoft Word document its own unique background color. This little trick can enhance the visual appeal of your presentations, reports, or any multi-page document you're working on. Now, let's dive in and see how it's done. First, you'll want to open Microsoft Word and access your document. Once you've got your document open, head on over to the Design tab up at the top of the Word interface. Now, in the Design tab, you'll see an option called Page Color within the Page Background group. Clicking this will give you a range of color options to choose as a background for all the pages. However, what we want is to set different colors for each page individually. To navigate through your document more effectively and ensure that you can view multiple pages simultaneously, let's go over to the View tab. Once you're there, click on Multiple Pages. This way, you'll have a split view of your document's pages, making it easier to see the changes as they happen and have a glanceable look at your overall design as we make these enhancements. Now let's actually start adding the color to each page. Head over to the Insert tab in your toolbar. Within there, you'll find the Shapes option. Click that and you'll be presented with a variety of shapes to choose from. What we need here is a simple rectangle shape. Click on that rectangle and then use it to cover an entire page. You might need to adjust its size to fit perfectly, covering all page corners neatly. Once you've placed the rectangle on your page, we need to change its color to a desired one. You can choose from the color options that pop up or go to the format options to get exactly the shade you want. Now here's an important tip. After you've set the rectangle in place and picked your color, right-click the shape, then find the option called Send to Back and select Send Behind Text. This adjustment ensures that all text on the page appears over the background color, retaining readability. And just like that, you're done. You can apply these steps to each page individually, choosing a different color each time to suit your style or needs for the document. It's a simple yet effective way to make your Word documents more dynamic and visually intriguing. Thank you for watching today's tutorial. Now go ahead and give your documents a colorful twist.